Hello everyone, I am Lexington Maximus. Welcome to Jamestown Road Island. This is Dutch Island behind me, and this is a place that I used to go camping almost every year for 2 weeks in the summer when I was a kid, my sister and I. And used to be a working lighthouse. I don't know if it still is, but I had been in an island many years ago. And I bring you to this place because this is a very transformative and very important place for me in my development and transformation and experience. And when we live an amazing, expansive life, now this is you as the admissions representative, as you learn and grow and train and become even better and better, you then can help your prospective students to get better and better in their life. Now, here's the bottom line. Most people like movies. You probably love going to the movies. Not every movie, of course, but probably a lot of different types of movies. And one of the universal types of movies that people love to go to are movies where people start off either weak or as victims, a person or persons, and they then have enough of that. Enough of being a victim. Enough of not living their full self, and they commit to take action, and they take action. And they don't stop until they are successful at whatever their quest is, whatever it may be. And they then go from victim to victor, from victim to hero. And most people love those types of movies. Why is that? It's because we see ourselves in that. We each know we are capable of doing more and being more and expressing more, being more expansive and expressive and dynamic and adventurous and fearless. And that's what we do for our prospective students, our explorers. We help them to go from a victim mindset many times to realize that they can become heroes in their own movie. Because you see, ladies and gentlemen, every single person's life is a major motion picture. I'll say that again. Every single person's life is a major motion picture. And most people, however, they will live and die the victims of their movie and never get to the hero. And the more effective you get with creating connection, with being fully expressive yourself and fully enthusiastic and passionate, knowing what your school can do, your education can do for your prospective student's life, knowing that strongly internally, your explorers will feel that. And they will be inspired, ignited to move from that victim perspective to the hero in their movie. And you, my friend, will end up creating so many more heroes in your life. And the more heroes that we have in the world, the better our world is. So you change the world by inspiring one person at a time to go from victim to hero. I will see you next time, and you'll be even better than you are today because of the practice and role play that you've been doing.